If you're about to start medical school and you don't know where to begin preparing, then you need to check out Scope. First, create your free account on Scope. Then join our 28-day challenge, which is designed to help you to start thinking like a doctor from day one. Medical school has often been described as like you learning a new language. There's over 15,000 medical terms to learn, and it could feel like information overload. That's why in this challenge, you'll work on real life patient cases, breaking down medical decision making step by step. Ready to get started? Let's take a look at day one. A 21-year-old patient walks into the ER with abdominal pain. Could it be food poisoning, a stomach bug, or something more serious like appendicitis? Your challenge. Review the symptoms, recognize the red flags, and make the right call, just like you would do at medical school. With Scope, you'll start speaking the language of medicine even before you step foot in the lecture hall. Need to fill your knowledge gaps? The built-in knowledge cards lets you instantly look up medical concepts, making it easy to reinforce what you're learning. Medical school is about more than just memorization. It's about learning how to apply your knowledge in real clinical situations. Click the link, start solving cases, and get ahead even before your first day at medical school.